Ooh, let's see where we at. That one definitely coming off. Ooh, yeah. Hey, what's up, y'all? Came from the market. I got the extra long beef steak, which is probably the same as skirt steak and stuff like that. But that at my market they call it extra long beef steak. Extra long. $7.21. All right. As you can see, check this out. I think I picked out a good pack here. It's got some good marbling. So we already know how we're gonna cut it. Y'all see how the grain is going? Zip, 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 zip. So when we get finished with it, we're gonna cut it like that. So it's gonna be nice and tender. So we're making some carne asada. And we can make a burrito bowls with this. We can make tacos. Eat it plain. However you want to do it. All right, so let's get to going. Let's make a little marinade for this. All right. First off, on the block, here's some lime. Let's start off with our magic everything seasoning, Lowry's. That's what I'm using. But if you don't use Lowry's, you can just use a tablespoon of salt. And I'm using a tablespoon of Lowry's right here. Look like I got a lot of seasonings up here, and I probably do. All right. Next, let's go with our cilantro. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon and a half. Or, I was being lazy. I could have went and bought some fresh cilantro. And right here, I got some jalapeno pepper or lapo pepper. I'm gonna do maybe just a quarter tablespoon of that. Then on the side of me right here, I got my fresh ground black pepper. Tablespoon of that. Got us some cumin here. Let's do a tablespoon of that. Almost, y'all. Just basically a tablespoon of everything. Got some oregano here. All right, there we go. A tablespoon of that. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. That's what I'm gonna do with that. 1, 2. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Need some thyme leaves. Thyme leaves is magic on beef. 3/4 of a tablespoon of that. And we got, that's cool, tablespoon of chili powder. A dash of red wine vinegar. Need some oil. And there we go. That's about that. So, do 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons brown sugar. That's it. Just a little hint. There we go, y'all. There we go. Get it all together there. Now, once we get this all together here, we're gonna let it hang out in the refrigerator. Let mine hang out for about 2 hours. It's still early in the morning. It's a little wet out there. Let it dry out. Then I'm gonna get the smoker going. We're gonna have some fun. All right, y'all see how it's looking, and it's gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands, come back, check me out. We're gonna fire up. Y'all, we know we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get to eat. All right, let's get some black beans going. Ooh, half a cup. A little bit more with the little we spilled. All right. Let's rinse these guys. Guys, very small batch. So we're not gonna soak these real hard or overnight or for a long time. Just gonna soak them for just a little bit, because we're gonna cook them in the same style that Chipotle cooks theirs. So go with beans and rice. We'll make us some tacos, make us some burrito bowls. Clean your beans, then we're just gonna let it soak in this bowl here. Kind of fill it up. About 4 cups of water worth. And that will do it. All right, set these to the side. All right, our beans soaking for about an hour. We're gonna get ready to go ahead and get them cooked. Do up a small portion of this onion here. Got our pot going already, so. Ooh, white onions smell good. I'm gonna give them a fine chop. It's a nice fresh onion, it's strong. Make it cry a little bit. Let me go ahead and get this up in the pan. Go ahead and get some garlic up in here too. Do a fine chop on these too. How about that? Just like that. All right, let's get ready to get our beans in there. Smell good. We got them cooked down enough that we can get that flavor. All right. We're gonna go ahead and throw our seasonings in there. I just got a little salt and pepper. About 2 teaspoons of salt. Teaspoon of pepper. Go ahead and throw in some cilantro. Some oregano. That's gonna do it. Keep these simple, cook these down. Do them with some rice. Put it all together. All right, let's cook up a short stack of rice. That's a half a cup. Let's rinse it. Let's rinse it off. Like that. Get that starch off of it. So it'll be nice and fluffy. Look at that film. All right, let's keep going. Let's get it clear. All right, see what it looking like. Oh, okay. There we go. Just like that, y'all. Rinse. Since we got a half a cup of rice, we'll do a full cup of water. Turn this rice maker on. We're just gonna set it to white rice. Go ahead and salt your rice. Get that flavor in there. All right, we're gonna do an old cilantro lime. Yeah, squeeze that bad boy. I don't know why I ain't use my lemon and lime squeezer. I just decided to do it by hand today for some reason. Stir up. All right, seasonings mixed in. All right, the rice is finished. See what it's looking like. Yep, flaking up nicely. Look at that. Flaking up nicely. All right, my peeps. We had these steaks marinating for about 4 hours. Man, they looking good, I tell you. We're using the smoker like a grill today. How about that? This ain't gonna take long at all. It's going a little bit longer on the smoker. I didn't have a lot of charcoal in here, but it's all good. Look at that though. Let that one stay on there a little while longer. I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes. So we don't want to cook the juices out of it. All right, about 5 more minutes. Ooh, let's see where we at. Oh, that one definitely coming off. Ooh, yeah. That one coming off. All right, let's go inside and eat. Look what we got here. All right, let's cut off a piece, see what we got. Delicious. This came out beautiful. Check this out. I'm gonna plate this up with something proper. We're gonna come back. All right, let's get everything set up properly. Got avocado. Got me some raw onions already chopped up from before. Smash it down. No sour cream in mine. Just pure avocado. Get our rice. Get our black beans. Protein. Yep. We doing all that. Bam. Just like that. All right, my peeps, are we looking proper? Yeah. Put some of this Chipotle smoke sauce on there, like they have at Chipotle. And let's see what we got. Mix it all up. A Carne Asada bowl. Damn. Check this out, y'all. Y'all saw how easy that was to do. The hard part is just waiting for the marinade for the 4 hours. Other than that, we did the rice real quick. We did the beans real quick. Check this out. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you as always. I'm going to catch you on the next one, and we're going to keep on cooking up something good. Peace.